As the leaves turn golden and the air crisps up, our palate craves a hearty bowl of soup. This dish highlights all of the fall flavors, and we are confident it will become a seasonal family favorite in your home. Taste bud influencer Tami Steggell is joining me in the kitchen to share the recipe for pumpkin lentil soup. It's great to see you.
It's great to see you.
It smells amazing.
Well, I did get it started so I can demonstrate the whole thing.
What did you love most about this soup?
Well, it is warm and hearty. Trick-or-treating is coming.
Yes.
And this you can prepare in under 30 minutes and send your trick-or-treaters out with a warm, healthy tummy.
That's what we want. What's going in our pot right now?
Okay, so right now we have onions, thyme, garlic, and carrots.
All I know is I'm going to eat whatever it is. It
And
smells
then
so good.
what we'll add from here, this is a little bit of chicken bouillon by Knorr.
Okay.
It's my preferred bouillon.
By Knorr.
Yes.
Okay.
This is 2 tablespoons of curry powder. I have already added the garlic in there. This is just a dash of red pepper.
Okay.
And then a little salt and pepper.
S&P.
And so what you do is you actually want to allow these spices to cook just a little bit before you add your broth.
Okay.
And look at all of the fresh ingredients. It's full of onions, carrots, kale, and then we're gonna throw in some pumpkin and lemon. So now I'm going to go ahead and just add this broth. This is 6 cups of broth.
This is making me so excited for soup season.
Look at how fast it's coming together.
Yes, and you're using pumpkin puree?
Yes, so I used pumpkin puree to enhance the pumpkin flavor.
Okay.
This right here is a pie pumpkin. You could bake it, but that's going to add 45 minutes to your experience.
We've got trick-or-treaters to get out the door.
That's right. So, and then you'll get more of a squashy flavor when you add a fresh pumpkin.
And did I hear you say lemon?
Yes.
Lemon.
Lemon is like the final finishing touch. So if you want to give that a little bit of a stir.
Sure, happy to.
And then what we're gonna do is add our lentils. These are red lentils. Lentils are full of tons of protein, fiber, and vitamin B.
I don't cook with lentils often. Is there any tips or tricks you have for me?
Lentils are amazing because they come together in about 10 minutes.
Okay.
It's not like beans where you have to wait a long time, or even rice is 15 to 18 minutes. So that's what makes this soup so fast and quick and hearty and full of texture and flavor.
Okay.
And then what we're going to do is we'll just squeeze a little juice.
And I got
we're
gonna
on me.
shower in that lemon juice. I don't know why this surprised me. I mean, we know it brightens the flavor, right?
It definitely brightens the flavor and just wakes up your palate a little bit.
Okay.
So the next thing we're gonna do is we have a bowl of fresh kale that I've chopped.
Yes.
This particular kale, this is one bunch, is a blue lacinato kale. So it has a really gentle texture to your tongue.
Oh.
It's not like prickly like the other kales. So we're gonna go ahead and just add it in.
Cook it down.
Yep, and then you're just gonna toss it and it'll wilt just a little bit. And then you got all of this freshness.
Ooh, I can't wait to make this, Tami. Thank you so much. What are you serving with this?
And then I love to do a fresh sourdough or a tartine bread, something nice and hearty. You could get some fresh butter on the side or just dip your bread in the soup. And then here is what your finished soup looks like. And it's all that freshness. Look at that. Look at how hearty.
The kale has cooked down. The flavors have simmered.
Yeah, and the kale, we're only putting it in for maybe a minute because you just want to barely wilt it to get all that texture.
Oh, Tami, thank you so much. What are we calling this recipe?
This is pumpkin red lentil soup.
Pumpkin red lentil soup. Put it in your rotation. Maybe plan for this pre-trick or treat. We'll have the recipe on our website. You should be following Tami for more great recipes like this. Where can we connect, sister?
On bitemeindustries.com, and it will be on ksl.com, and I will post it on our blog.
I can't wait. Thank you so much.
Yeah,
Tami
you're
is your best
welcome.
foodie friend, so make sure to give her a follow.